Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So right now I'm about to make some jerk pineapple prawns or shrimp. I'm also leaving the shell on because it was requested. You guys know I'm allergic, so I'm not even going to be able to eat any of this. But it was delicious and everyone loved it. So let's get started. So I'm going to chop up my vegetables as you see me here. I don't really show this part of the behind the scenes as much, but I try to show it when I can. Y'all, look at my Oreos back there. Y'all should see what I did with those in my previous video. So now I'm just going to chop up my bell peppers. I'm going to add peppers and scallions because, you know, I'm not adding much because that marinade is super delicious and super seasoned. So make sure you taste the marinade before you choose what kind of seasoning you want to put on your food. So this is the prawn right here. As I said earlier, they're shell on and large, and as well as my pineapple back there and my jerk marinade. I'm about to show you guys what that looks like. This right here, use the one you prefer. They have several, but this is the one I'm going to use today. And some pineapple chunks in the bag. So I'm gonna just season this up with some of the pineapple and the scallions, and I'm just gonna pour the marinade on there and let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then we're gonna cook it down. To a hot skillet, you're gonna add some butter. This was about 2.5 tablespoons of Kerrygold butter. It's the one in the tub, so you know I just put as much as I thought I would need for all that shrimp and peppers and scallions. So you want to saute your peppers down for about 5 minutes just to get the crunch off of them, just like this, as well as the rest of the scallions. And just like this. And then you're also going to add some garlic. This is about 4 cloves of garlic, and this is where you want to add a little bit of salt and pepper, just a little bit. You don't need much, but you know peppers don't come seasoned. So make sure you season them. Next, you want to add your shrimp, pineapple, the marinade. Y'all, first of all, I need to do this recipe with chicken or I don't know, lamb, something, because the way this smelled the minute it hit the skillet was just insane. And yeah, you just want to saute it down. I cooked this for maybe 7 minutes covered, and that was it. Easy, simple, fast, and yep. First of all, the allergy gods really ruined my life because the way I wanted to jump in this pot and grab me a couple shrimp. Y'all, this looks so good. Like, seriously. I hope you guys give it a try. If you do, comment and let me know, or DM me, message me, send me pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. It was just so fast and easy. Remember, all ingredient measurements will be in my description box, and I'll catch you guys next time on my next video. Bye, guys.